Guys, guys, you gotta check this out. Look at this. Look at this. Look how stubby it is. Let's get this thing out of here. This is a Carlyle 4-inch indexing pry bar. This is the shortest indexing pry bar in existence. You push on this button here to change the angle of the head. What? Why won't it index? What? What the? What? What? Okay, I figured it out. You have to push on both sides at the same time. Kind of like a pinch grip. I don't know if I like that or not. On the GearWrench ones, there's only one button that you have to push. There's actually no button at all on the other side. So I don't know if Carlyle did this to get around a patent or something. It just seems like it'd be easier if you just had one button to push. I went ahead and took apart the mechanism. If you look right around here, you can see some of the teeth on the gear inside. Now when you push down on this button, it moves those teeth down. That's what releases the head so you can adjust it. There's a set of teeth on both sides, so you have to push both buttons at the same time in order to release the head. Maybe they did this to make it stronger. The GearWrench only has one set of teeth on one side. Here's a shot of the Carlyle compared to the GearWrench. The smallest one GearWrench makes is their 8-inch one, which is actually about 9 inches. The Carlyle's advertised as 4 inches, but it's really around 4.5. The head on the Carlyle is also a different shape. It's a little bit shorter, which makes sense since it's a smaller tool. Another difference that surprised me is the thickness of the head. The Carlyle is twice as thick as the GearWrench. I'm not sure if that's good or bad. I would think that on a smaller tool, you would want a thinner head. Indexing pry bars are great for removing seals on engines and wheel bearings. Now I don't have any seals to replace now, so just imagine this washer is a seal. Your traditional seal puller tool can only go in at one angle. With these indexing head pry bars, you can adjust the angle depending on how much room you have to work with. That's where I think this one with the short 4-inch handle is going to come in handy. All in all, I like it. I think I'll have to get used to that pinch grip thing to operate it. Several times I've thought about buying an extra 8-inch GearWrench one, then chopping the handle off here, and then maybe pressing an old screwdriver handle on to make my own stubby pry bar. But I saw this Carlyle at Napa, and I had to buy it. They're a little expensive at $32, but I figured if I factor in time and labor, it's still cheaper than making my own. I tried deducing who the OEM for these might be. I found these Titan pry bars which use that same pinch grip mechanism. So it's possible they're the OEM for Carlyle, or whoever makes them for Titan is the OEM. Not sure. I did not see any 4-inch ones on Titan's website, so at least for now, if you want a stubby indexing pry bar, other than making your own, the Napa looks like it's the only option. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show off this unusually sized tool. Let me know if you find any other brands selling these. Thanks for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for more videos. Bye.